Today we're going to take a look at the 3 LED surface mount low profile strobe light with the clear lens and amber LEDs. Now this strobe light has a narrow 5/8 inch low profile which will fit tight spaces like your front grille or space between the rear bumper and the tailgate. Common use for this light is pickup trucks, utility trucks, or construction vehicles. It has a black housing with the clear lens and the amber LEDs. And LEDs make great replacements for incandescent lights because they'll last about 50 times longer, and they're more efficient because they'll provide brighter light with less power output. Also no bulbs to replace or no brittle filaments. Now this light offers 16 flash patterns and a simultaneous or alternating function. It does connect using this blunt cut wire connection. Length on the wire is about 9.5 inches. It has 3 wires. The black is your ground, red is your power, and the yellow is used for synchronization and alternating flash. It is a surface mount design, comes with all the mounting hardware and brackets are all included. And what's nice about the mounting brackets is if you look on the back of the light, there's multiple holes, and then on the mounting brackets they have like 3 pins, so you can just line those up and you can use it that way, use it that way, put the pins in, use it that way. So there's multiple options of mounting it with these brackets. This light does meet the IPX8 waterproof rating. It is 3 LEDs. Wattage is 8.9 watts. Voltage 12 to 24 volts. Amperage is 0.74 amps at 12 volts. And last thing I want to do is give you the dimensions on the light, and then we'll hook it up to some 12 volt power so I can show you how bright it is and some of the flash patterns. So the width on this, edge to edge, is right at 5 inches. The depth on it is right at 1 inch deep. And the height we had mentioned is right at 5/8 inches tall. But now what we'll do is go ahead and hook up our 12 volt power. So we'll take our black wire for the ground and our red wire for the power. And then I'm going to turn the light on. But on the yellow wire, what I do want to mention is the yellow wire, what I'm going to do is as I have the light on, I'm going to touch the yellow wire to the power wire, and that's the way you'll change your different flash patterns. So you can set your flash pattern by just each time you touch it, it resets the flash pattern. And also this yellow wire will be used for synchronization. In other words, if you have multiple lights like this and you want them all to do the same flash pattern, you attach the yellow wire from each one together, and that'll sync them all together. So what we're going to do now is just go ahead and turn on the lights so you can see the 3 amber LEDs. And I'll go ahead and turn off the overhead lights. And you can see it's a very bright light for just 3 LEDs. And now what I'm going to do is go ahead and touch and you can see I touched it, so it changed the flash pattern. We'll touch it again, resets it to another one. And there's another one. And again, there's 16 different flash patterns you can use. And I'll go ahead and turn back on our overhead lights. Turn off our power. But that should do it for the review on the 3 LED surface mount low profile strobe light with the clear lens and the amber LEDs.